today's video, it'll just be a quick 5-6 minute video on how I maintain my butterfly locks. So I only use two things, and those two things are leave-in conditioner and wild growth oil. My hair is up right now, so let's go ahead and take it down. My edges aren't done because I don't go to sleep. I don't do my edges just to go to sleep, and I'm not gonna do my edges just to go to sleep for a YouTube video. So to make sure I get every part of my scalp, my hair is sectioned in a specific way. This is the sectioning that I use when I do any type of braids, whether it's butterfly locks, knotless braids. This is my method. So I part from ear to ear, from over here to over there, so I know that this part of my hair is parted equally from, I don't know if you can see this, but from here to there. So what I do is I put that part in a ponytail. And the back of my hair has 5 sections. So what I do is, since the parts are straight also, I like cut through, get my wild growth oil and oil across that line. Rub it in, get through all the parts, and then move on. Okay, so now that the entire back of my head is oiled, I'm gonna take down the top part. You just repeat the same process. Start down the middle. Now for my edges, I use this Jamaican black castor oil just because it helps strengthen and restore. So that's why I use it on my edges. And plus my edges, well, edges in general are like the most fragile part of your hair and the most prone to break off. So to prevent as much breakage or as much unnecessary breakage, I just put it on my edges and rub it in. And that's all for the oiling part. Let's do a side part. And that's all for the oiling part. Now for the leave-in part. So with this, I just spray it all around my hair and try to get as much on my scalp as possible. Spray it everywhere basically. And the conditioning is good for like the squares on the part of your hair, like the exposed parts, because it keeps your hair moisturized while it's in the protective style also. So now moving on, what I use to actually protect my hair. What we have is a bonnet, a satin bonnet. And this isn't any regular bonnet. It's not the bonnet from the store. It's not the bonnet from the store. It's not a bonnet from Amazon. It's a bonnet from Jallection. And Jallection is a black-owned business, black-owned small business. She sells bonnets. She has extra large bonnets. She sells satin scarves. Hold on. And don't mind the stuff on it. I do my edges quite a lot. So this is from the edge stuff, but this is a satin scarf, and they come with a scrunchie. She sells scrunchies too. So the bonnet is, I literally wear this bonnet faithfully. Like, and all her products that she makes, all this is handmade. You could check out her reels that she makes on the process of how she makes them handmade. I've had this bonnet for a couple months now, and look, it is like no tears, it's still as durable as when I first got it. It doesn't slip off at night. You don't gotta worry about waking up your bonnet across the room. You put it on and it stays on, literally. But yeah, Jallection bonnets, small black owned business. Get you one. And once you're done with all of that, you just throw it right on. But that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.